Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Excellence 360. These tutorials are based on non-Mudalvan skill development program. I hope you all are learning and enjoying through my videos. In this video, we will learn how to animate objects in Plant Simulation 3D. This video will explain how you can animate built-in plant simulation object. You can use the same technique to animate your own objects. So let's start. Start Plant Simulation and create a new 3D model by clicking Create New Model. We create our own station as we have learned in previous video in hierarchical modeling. We open the folder User Object in the class library. It contains empty frame which we can use. If you want to create another frame, select the folder User Object. Click the right mouse button and select New and then Frame. If our frame contains a graphic called Under Construction, we have to delete this graphic. We then insert a station and two interfaces into the frame and connect the interfaces and the stations. In our station, we want to move the tool holder from the position in the center to the right end and then to the left end and then back to the center. After this, the moving objects or paths can leave the station. First, we have to step into the graphic of station. Select the station, click the right mouse button and select Open a new 3D window. Now we can manipulate each graphical elements of the station. We select the tool holder, click the right mouse button and select Make Animatable Object. In the dialog which opens, we type in a meaningful name. We name our animatable object Tool Holder. You will notice that the program shows white helper lines denoting the origin of the tool holder. You can also see the coordinates of the white lines in the dialog. Select the origin of x-axis to 0 and y-axis to 0.6 meters. Click OK to close the dialog. Now we want to terminate the position when the tool holder is located on the left side. Click the right mouse button and open the dialog Edit 3D Properties. We remember that the position of the tool holder in the X direction is located at about minus 0.8 meters. We move the tool holder to the right to find the right end position. Then we open the dialog Edit 3D Properties. The right end position is located at 0.8 meters. We then move the tool holder to the center again. Now we can define the animation path of the tool holder. Click the right mouse button and select Edit 3D Properties. Click the tab Self Animation. On this tab, we will define the path on which the tool holder moves. Click Add to add a new path. We name the path Left and click OK to create it. Now we select the new path and click Edit. In the dialog which opens, we only see a single line which defines the default position of the tool holder. The path starts at the position 0. Click Add to add an additional anchor point for the path. We select the new anchor point and click Edit Values. Instead, you can also double-click it to modify the values. Next, we are going to define the time. which the tool holder needs to move from position in the center to the position on the left. To do so, double-click the first anchor point in the Edit dialog. Select the checkbox Velocity and enter 1 second into the text box Time. Click OK twice to close the dialog window. Click Play in the Properties dialog, which is still open. This will play the animation we just defined. Now we define an animation from the left side to the right side, just what we did above. This represents processing of the part, and therefore the speed of the movement will be slow. Click Add in the dialog Self Animation. We named our path Right. Click OK. We select the animation path named Right and click Edit. Double-click the first row and set the x coordinates to -0.8. This means that the animation state starts on the left side, active velocity, and enter 20 seconds at the time the movement take. Click OK. Next, we click Add to add the endpoints of the movement. We double-click the endpoints and enter 0.8 meter as the x-coordinate of the endpoint. Click OK twice to close the open dialog. We select the path Right and click Play to check if our path definitions as worked as intended. Finally, we add a third animation path and named it Middle. This path starts at 0.8 meters, that is at the right side of the station, and ends at the middle of the station. For this movement, the tool holder takes 1 second. The second anchor point of the animation path is in the center of the station. Now you are done defining the animation path of the tool holder. Close all dialog windows and close the window of the station. We add a method to the frame of our station and named it onEntrance. Double-click the graphics of the station to open the dialog. We set the processing time to 22 seconds. 1 second moving to the left, 20 seconds moving to the right, and 1 second moving to the center again. We also define the recovery time of 5 seconds. The recovery time should start after the part has left the station. We change to the tab control and select the method onEntrance as our entrance control. Click OK to close the dialog. Double-click the method onEntrance. In the first line, we check if 3D is active and if the animation of the moving object is active as well. Next, we get all animation of tool holder and store them in the variable named animations. The method resetAnimation resets all the animation that have not been played, so that the animation starts at default position. First, we schedule the animation named left To be played. The method play plays the animation. We wait 1 second until the animation has been finished. Next, we reset the animation again to make sure the following animation will start with respect to the middle of the station. The movement to the right is now scheduled and played. We have to wait 20 seconds until the movement will be finished. Finally, the tool holder will be moved to the center. We have to wait 1 second for the end of the movement. Using the station named My Station, which we just built, we want to build simulation model. We create a new frame in the class library, our resources, My Station and a drain. We connect all objects and add an event controller. We reset and start the simulation and watch how the tool holder moves when the parts are processed. That's it for today's video. To gain the perfection, keep practicing and experimenting with different values. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.